Chateau de Lalande's Advent Calendar vlogs, where every day of December we'll be showing you how we prepare for Christmas here at the Chateau.
Yep, we've got loads of tricks and tips for you, and if you don't want to miss a thing, hit subscribe, click the notification button, and you'll not miss anything.
Here's today's video. My favourite florist is back in the house.
Do you have other favourite florists?
No, you are my favourite florist. That means I don't have other favourite florists. I don't often find myself by the woodshed, Marie. What are we doing down here?
Just gonna find some foliage.
Foliage? Here we go.
For the mantelpiece.
What sort of thing are you looking for?
Something that sticks out.
So anything that catches your eye at the moment?
Yeah, anything. Wintry green.
It's nice to be out in the woods today because it's not that cold. It's really beautiful.
Look at that.
Wow.
I'm actually allergic to this.
You're allergic to it?
Yeah.
What does it do to you?
I get really dizzy, get a headache.
Probably not the best thing to pick then, Marie.
No, it's the smell that does it for me.
But let's not have that in the winter salon.
No.
Okay, right. Maybe you should drop the piece that you're holding. Right. I love it here because we can hear the stream that goes through our woods. The moss is so pretty. I wish we could take some of that. There's only a tiny little bit of it, but there's a very, very pretty red leaf here.
I couldn't find my floristry scissors, so I found this. I'm sure Percy will be
joking?
very pleased to find out I'm using his tools.
Oh dear, we're in trouble.
Don't show it on. Sorry, Percy. This is going to be so nice, decorating the mantelpiece.
I'm excited.
Yeah. We should have a drink and light a fire.
I better get the door.
Yeah, could you? All is well, but I'm a bit late on the Christmas decorations at Lalande this year.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I better get cracking.
So you found the garland already?
Yeah, I found the garlands, and Michael Patrick has got some foliage, and I also got some foliage from the garden.
That looks successful.
I've just got some branches of a local fir tree.
Local, might that be my fir tree?
It's your fir tree. So there's loads of these, sort of making a mess like this. Loads of these branches, so we can mix it with some holly.
Gorgeous.
And whatever we've got. Oh, she just heard it in here.
Oh no, oh my goodness. Mary Poppins will be after your hide. Oh dear. So what's your plan for the mantelpiece?
Just fill it up with foliage. These will probably dry, so you might have to replace them in a week or two.
Well, I could get you an oasis.
Yeah.
I've got loads. Shall I literally just fill it with water and bring it?
We could, yeah.
Okay, I'll go get some oasis.
All right.
I've soaked it in water. Wow. Marie, you look as though you've finished.
No, I'm not. I need some more foliage.
I turned my back for 2 seconds. You've transformed it already.
Okay, very quick.
So what have you done and what remains to be done, and how did you do it, most importantly?
So the difference between last year and this year is that I actually did everything on the spot here.
Yes.
So these big plastic garlands with lights that we have.
Yes, so I can show you that.
Yeah.
That's at the heart of this, is a
Yeah.
fake garland with lights.
I'm using this as a base, and I just basically put it over and I secured it tight so it won't slip. The plastic garland has wire in it, so I can twin the fresh greens around them so they will stick quick. I used oasis as well, so it's hidden behind here.
That's hidden away,
Yeah.
giving height to the display.
Nobody knows. So yeah, just gonna get some more foliage over and then we'll be sorted.
Okay, well I'll make tea and come back and see how you're getting on.
Okay.
Marie, it's awesome. Is this the finished product?
Yeah.
Gorgeous.
It's just quite natural.
Yes.
Isn't it? It's not any
So
bling.
natural. I like it very much. I love the
natural.
contrast because the Grand Salon is all gold and candles and there's nothing natural on it at all.
No.
And this is the opposite. You've brought the woodlands of Lalande inside.
Yeah. Yeah, everything is from outside. So yeah, just a bit of a Christmassy feeling.
It's beautiful. I'm going to be sitting in this room for the rest of December now. Life is so sweet.
Toblerone by the open fire.
With my two favourite people, aside from the other people that I love very much.
Me?
You.
You enjoy.
Merry Christmas, Marie.
Merry Christmas.